Welcome back student in my YouTube channel. This is your moral science teacher Priyanka. I hope you all are doing great. Let's start today's video, but before it you all have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, in today's tutorial of moral science we are going to discuss the topic scared. Okay? So let's start. First of all, you should understand what is feeling. A feeling can be defined as a person's response to the emotion that comes from the perception of a situation. Okay, but a feeling is natural. According to the situation or whatever is going to be happen, okay, the feelings come out. Now, what is scared? Scared means fear. Okay. Fear is a feeling that everyone has. It's programmed into all of us, and that's a good thing because fear is that to protect us. Okay. Sometimes fear is good. We can't say that if we are scared, so it means we are not brave, okay, or we are weak. No. Fear is good sometimes because it helps us to protect us, to keep us safe. So student, I am going to discuss one chapter which I have already discussed with you people in WebEx class. So let's see. Ganpati presence of mind. In this chapter, there is a story of a mouse and lion. So the main topic is scared, and under it Ganpati's presence of mind. So student, I will tell you the summary of the story only because I have already discussed with you people in the WebEx class. So Ganpati, the mouse, and his friend would often come to the Ankoti hills to play. One day they heard the bushes near them rustle. Okay, it means whispered sound. A sudden chill ran down their spines. It means they were moving here and there. So just suddenly they all stop. Okay. Suddenly a lion sprang over upon them. A lion sprang upon them. The mice screamed and ran helter and skelter. Most of them hid behind the small sculptures Shiva that was strewn about on the hills, but some of them were caught the lion. Okay, lion caught some of them, but some of them successful to run. Then the lion was in the mood of fun. Okay, so he said that if all of you will come out, then I will leave your friend. As scared Ganpati prepared to exit the situation. But the Bhima, the strongest among them, decided to go up to lion and challenge him to a duel, while other mice could run from their lives. Ganpati tried to dissuade Bhima from becoming the martyr. Okay, he said ki no need to go because although you are strong but you can't fight with lion. But what he said ki I'm not coward, I will go there. I will give a fight to lion and save my friends. Although his thinking was very good, but student, sometimes we have to be smart thinker. Okay, we should take decision according to the situation. But Ganpati was wise, so he just ran to Dharamnagar where he met his elephant friend Hasna. And when Hasna heard about all happening, then Hasna gathered her herd of elephants and charged towards the Ankoti hill. So meanwhile, Bhima barely able to hold fort, although he tried his level best. Okay, the lion has defeated Bhima, but you know that lion, Bhima can't be stronger than lion. So lion defeated Bhima, but Hasna and his friend arrived there and they gave a battle to lion, and the lion became fearful and ran from there. Then Hasna started tending to Bhima's injuries. Obviously, when he was fighting with him, so he got injured. So then Hasna explained to him that It isn't brave to be scared. Okay, if you are scared, it doesn't mean that you are not brave. Rather, to act and ask for help despite being scared is what makes you brave. Bhima understood his mistake and thus become a little wiser that day. So, student, hope you understood that it's okay to feel scared. It helps us to stay safe. It is brave to ask for help when you are scared. So let's understand it through a video, this concept through a video.
Scared. When I am feeling scared, my heart beats so loud. I want to hide in a place that makes me feel safe. My legs shake. Everyone would be scared of some things. What makes me feel scared? Some things just make me feel scared, like getting lost in a crowd, a spooky movie, having a bad dream. What can I do when I am feeling scared? When I am feeling scared, I can shout for help. I can tell someone who cares about me. I can cuddle with my favorite toy. It can make me feel better. Something about scared. Feeling scared is not wrong. Sometimes scary can help us get away from danger. Scary becomes a problem when it affects your daily life.
Hope student, you understood the topic scared and Ganpati's presence of mind, and after watching this video also you understood the topic properly. So the moral of the story is, it is okay to feel scared. It helps us to stay safe. So you all stay safe, stay happy at home. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.